Hello. Today I'm going to walk you through the key improvements I made in iteration 2 for our smart recipe project. So in this iteration, I mainly focused on the implementation of the authentication system with the real API connections. I also improved the user profile features and connecting the search functionality to the backend API. So let me show you some key components. First, look at the authentication implementation. So here in the login component, I have updated the submission handler here and connect it to our real backend API instead of using mock data, as you can see here. So now I'm using the user service to make a real API call to authenticate users. If successful, we will store the JWT token and user ID in local storage and update the application state. Uh, so let me show you here. So now if I log in with the wrong credential, it won't be success. Only if I use the right password. And similarly, in the register component, uh, I also use the real API connection, and this time the registrations flow will create a real actual user in the MongoDB database through our API. And the next thing is the profile. So for the profile page, I have here the profile page. For this page, I have made some significant improvements. Let me show the code here. Uh, so first, I also do the API integration for user data. So now we are fetching the real data, uh, including the created recipe and the saved recipe from the MongoDB database. I have also add so here, so you see here you can see this is all the real data I have made with the test data, and I have also made a modern component uh, here to give the give this page the functionality of editing the feature. So now we can update the username and the email like this. So I can update the here. This has been updated. Next is the search component. So here, I have connected the search functionality to the real API too. So instead of mock data, we can now retrieving actual recipe from the database. The search functionality is fully connected to the backend and allow users to find the recipe based on the ingredients of the name in the database. So search, you can see all this is all the recipe we have in the database. And if I try to search here, let's say test, you can see all the recipe with the name of test will show up here. So basically, this is the main component I have implemented in iteration 2. So generally speaking, in this iteration, I focus on the implementing the real API flows, working mainly about the backend. And for the next iteration, we are considering to transfer our JWT authentication to the order 0, we learned in class, but we haven't decided yet. So basically, this is my iteration 2 code work. Thank you for watching.